is the look that I would wear if I was a bombshell entering the Love Island villa. Obviously this would never happen. My wedding is in 35 days and I have a 1-year-old. But let's do this look together. So if I went in the villa during the day, I'm gonna want people to just think that I have amazing skin and not really notice the makeup very much. Starting with the Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer. There's one thing that is absolutely not going to be forgotten in my makeup bag. It is an SPF. This is the Unseen Screen from Supergoop. This is really good if your skin is oily. It's been a long time since I've used this Lumi Lotion from L'Oreal. I want to just use a little bit to give my skin a little bit more of a bronzy base. I don't know if I would use a foundation there. I think I would just stick to a skin tint the whole time. I feel like it would just come off too heavy, and especially if it's hot. I'm using the REFY Skin Tint. Most natural bronzer. This is the Mario Skin Enhancer, and I'm actually going to drag this kind of towards the center of the cheek here and on the nose, so it's giving me a sun-kissed look. Also some on the forehead. I feel like actually a red blush is perfect for this look. It really gives a natural flush to the face. Kind of looks like you've been laying by the beach all day. This is Cherry Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. Some of this NARS Pot Concealer, but this is very close to my natural skin tone. I'm just adding it in the areas that I need the coverage. Once I have my concealer blended, I've been really loving adding Piggy by Rhode also on top of any blush that I use. I'm just obsessed with this stuff, and I just like tap this up under the eye here, and it gives like a really beautiful blend between your concealer and the blush that you had on before. Definitely going to powder the whole face so it doesn't come off. Using the Hourglass translucent powder, lightly just dusting this all over the face. Okay, I'm going to do my first pass of setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. First pass is really just to hydrate. Then I can apply my Rare Beauty highlight. This is a really beautiful bronzy highlight. This is perfect for summer. I love that the skin is still looking really natural. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyes. Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna try and do a bit of a Nina Park eye, which means I'm gonna try to keep my wing really small. I'm using this Kat Von D brown eyeliner. I definitely failed with making it small, but I'm gonna fix it with the makeup wipe. Just go back to that concealer brush and apply some to the bottom. This is the 24/7 brown eye pencil from Urban Decay. I'm really just adding it on the outer edge of the eye here. Also gonna add some to the inner corner here. My favorite hack for curling my lashes is I have a space heater below me, so I'll warm up my lash curler. It's the best curl and it's so much faster. Now I'm gonna go in with a brown mascara. This is from Makeup by Mario, and I'm gonna add just a little bit to the lower lashes. I recently just discovered this Maybelline Peel Off Lip Liner. I'm not kidding, this is the best one I've ever tried. Okay, while that sits for a couple minutes, I'm just going to go in with my last pass of setting spray. L'Oreal Infallible, because this will make your makeup literally not move. I've been fighting the urge to add a third blush, and I'm going to. I want to. I'm gonna use this Hourglass one. It's diffused heat. Just a little bit more. Watch how easily that moves. Using this REFY lip liner, the shade is Fawn. The YSL Lip Blusher, the shade is 44. My new obsession, this is the Fenty Lip Oil. Stuff is insane. Alright guys, here is the final look. What do we think? I want to know, would you wear this look if you entered the villa?